Okay, well, this is my AR-15 that we're going to go ahead and get rid of today. And just so everybody knows, it is safe, it's clear, there's no ammo in it. I've got my plug in here. We'll pull that on out. So, as I had agreed to, I'm going to go ahead and cut this thing up. And I do appreciate all the donations that everybody made to the Brady campaign to stop gun violence. And what we're going to do today is we're going to take one AR-15 out of commission. Remember, guns don't kill people, people kill guns. And we're going to kill this one. Very good. Well, there's a part of it right there. We're going to pull this bolt out, make it a little easier to finish cutting up. By the way, if you own an AR-15 and you don't know what this little flick is all about, you should probably go ahead and cut yours up too. Well, that thing just got a whole lot shorter. Okay, we caught a spring in there. That's all right. Okay, well, there that is. I don't think that one will be causing any harm anymore. And again, I'm not going to miss this thing a bit. I don't think any of us have any need for owning guns like this. And I really appreciate everybody's support in making donations. And I would like to say this is just the beginning. I'm hoping that other folks will do the same thing. And like I say, if we can get other folks to do the same thing, maybe we can keep this going. We also need to continue to support those students from Douglas High School that are out there doing their best to bring some sort of change about. But once again, I don't think that we can just keep allowing this to go on. So this is one small step that I've taken, and I hope that everybody else will do something as well. Thanks so much.